Okay, Norm. Here's where we are on this. Okay, I just opened this up. As you can see, I've just got, this is untitled. Everything is pretty well standard. I've upgraded it to. I guess I'm at the 3.1 point something or rather 06. I'm sorry. I'm not sure even if right now my screen recorder if it's showing the yellow circle or not. So, but anyway, so I've upgraded it to the last 3.1 and so on and so forth. So, what's been happening first and foremost when I click on this, and I don't know if it's going to happen this time, but it's kind of been intermittent. It will open sometimes, other times it won't open. This is the one I'm working on. I don't know where to grab the file if this doesn't open. Obviously, I go here, file. Okay, so we're going to go open. Let's see if this works. Okay, there. Now this is what's happening, okay? Unable to open file. Well, there we go. Unable to open file, unknown glyph, header, enter. Don't know what that is. Don't know what the error is at all. So then the next opportunity, unhandled exception has occurred in your application, and again, it's this unknown glyph. And let me look at the details. So I'm going to go ahead and, I'm sorry, I don't think I'm going to be able to, I'm going to scroll down here, see if there's more. Oh yeah, there's more. There's a lot. Okay. So here, I'll leave this, and then maybe I can just, nope, can't just scroll down. Maybe I can down arrow. Okay. So that you can look at this. And so, so that you can see what's over here. So this has something with a DLL system 2.0, yada, yada, yada. And again, I'll do it slowly so that you can look at it. Code base file, assembly. Hope I'm not scrolling too quickly to the side. You're cognizant of these things. You're fully apprised of them, I would expect. So I'm going to go down. I don't know if this is the same information or not. It looks similar. No, it's different. Okay. And then, of course, this is a system management issue here, apparently. So again, this is all different, but you can see these two. Whoops, this one and this one. This drawing and management are the same, at least this area here. System XML. Well, this is different. I think that's the same as the first one. So that's the SML problem there. System configuration. I'm sorry. I don't know if this is the same. Yeah, I think it is the same. That B03F5F7F is the same. So there's three of those. That system design, yada yada, same stuff. System web, same stuff. Maybe this is what you need. Office 2007, Blue D. and I'm not using Office '07, so I don't know that if there's any correlation between the two. I'm using, and I don't think there should be any relevance because I'm using '03, and then of course there's your file again, and then this one's different. Just showing you where the exe file is, and then the version 3.0 plus the yadas in there because there's more than that, because I'm at 3.1 something or other. And I guess this is my build up. This is what I was building out. That's what I was saying. I wanted to keep that and keep this and just be able to upgrade the 4 as I get more familiar with it, and then just move all of my websites, the themes, upload those, and to have that the functionality of being auto, as far as being responsive. That's okay. I'm just letting you read this, and I don't understand how you guys have developed this. So I'm completely in the dark, and so you're obviously brilliant, and I'm not. So you have to talk to somebody like they're a partial idiot. So when you speak, when you email me, whatever, please be very, very explicit, very specific with me, because I'm not a coder. So, and I guess that's the end of that. So obviously I have continue or quit, and then I do the details. I do continue. Well, that doesn't change it. See, it just flash, and there it is again. Let's try a different one. And this is what's happening. It's not even opening at all. Nothing opens. So I'll close it up, and where's my file? I'm having to record this. Okay. And here we are again. So let's see if it works this time. Now I just closed it. And nope, getting the same exceptions. The other time it was, sometimes it'll open up and it'll work, but other times it won't. So that's pretty much that's where I am, and that's what's happening, and that's what's not happening. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Again, what I would like to do is to be able to use 3.0, which I've upgraded to the top of the 3.1s, and use that because I'm very fluid with it. I'm very comfortable with it. And then once and keep a separate file, which I know how to do. I'm not that stupid. Stupid at times, yes, but not that stupid. So I want to be able to keep them separated, and I didn't see the ability to do that when I upgraded it to 3.1 and so on and so forth. So you said that there was a box that I could untick or uncheck, if I recall correctly, and I didn't even see the box. So whatever you guys can do to help, I would be grateful. And going back to this, I'm gonna pause this for a moment because I wanted to show you what I'm trying to achieve. And so here's what I was saying. Here's the website. Before I could upload a particular well, anyway, so the theme, whatever, and this image, which actually down here and this is just trying to get it finished out. This image, I needed to go all the way across, all the way here, all the way down, so that it completely fills it, and ultimately I'll be able to see the road because I took a picture of I'm over in the Smokies, and that's what this is. And let me show you. I can't show you this because I can't open it. But anyway, it doesn't matter. That's what I'm trying to achieve, and I don't know where to get the file. If I need to go into my back end of my WordPress, which is not a problem, I'm going to pause and see if this is what you want me to do. Bear with me a moment. I'm going to get into my back end, my WordPress. So, Norm, here we are. And this is where you saw that theme. By the way, just so that you know, I'm going to go into the theme options. By the way, just so that you know, this particular, is it that one? Yeah. This particular theme, I believe, let me just activate it. It's either this one or this one. I think it's this one. I think it's the 3. And I actually designed several different styles so that he could look at it and tell me which one. And I've built out from this has all been, obviously, you know how this works, an ongoing process. So visit the site. Okay, now this is right. You see this? That's the way that this image is supposed to be. Now, of course, this is a different size. You know, it's too, the header's too big and so on and so forth. It's way too much. But this is the way I was. It works for this one. But then moving back to the one that I had, let me go back to that one. This one. No, that's 5, 7. The 8, and even the other ones don't work. 5, 7, these 6, 5, 6, 7, they don't work. They don't, and so that doesn't change. Let's go to the site, visit the site. See how that is? So it doesn't fill in, and actually this is looking a little different than it was before, but it doesn't fill in the entirety. Let me go to back to themes. I go to the editor. Sorry. Go to my editor. Now, this is what I was asking about. I don't know how to do this. Do you need me to take and copy and paste all of this? I don't know if I just do template, or or if I can grab. Would it just be grabbing this style sheet, copy and pasting that? Would that be what you need? I can do that, and that obviously gives you the CSS style sheet, and that probably is where you needed to be. I was told to go into, as I sent you that in the email. Yeah, it was into the CSS. That's where it was. It was go to the CSS, going into the CSS sheet, and then replacing it, finding and replacing that particular text that said repeat all, or repeat none. And then I changed the page width and everything like that, as you saw. That's what I did for the green one. And it worked perfectly for the green one, but it doesn't work for this one. So I am absolutely, I did my best to do the research without having to go, without having to ask you guys about it, but it's not been sufficient for me. I can't figure it out. I wouldn't be asking you if I could figure it out on my own. I did the research through the forum. They gave me that text information that I shot you, and I think I could probably pull it up quickly here. Yeah, Artisteer background, boom. So yeah, that's what they told me to do. They said go here, go into the theme, template, edit, search, and so I did the Control F, search for background, replace item number 1. This is my what I pulled out of the forum basically. So I went into item 1, I changed this middle texture background, yada yada yada, changed the width, minimum height and width, and that basically it changed it. This is what I think this is what currently is there. But anyway, so just wanted to show you that I really appreciate all your support, and do treat me like I'm a moron, okay? I'm good with it. Treat me like a moron, then we can probably save time, because if you think that I'm stupid and don't understand anything, well, don't treat me like I'm stupid, of course, right? No. That won't help. But anyway, so there. No activity yet. We'll just have a smiley face, and we'll make sure that we'll get this done with your superior effort and understanding that I am not as conversant as you are, and I really do need kind of baby step, incremental, you know, I mean, I'm cognizant. You know, I'm not stupid, but I'm cognizant of a number of things. But there's some areas I just don't know how to fix it. So, and as I said, I wouldn't be calling or I wouldn't be reaching out to y'all. And I am sorry for the length of this, but I wouldn't be reaching out for y'all to help if I could fix it myself. Thanks very much. Have a good one.